Hello and welcome. To check the number of characters you have in your text while using Microsoft Word, here is what you should do. Well, I will have to create a random words to demonstrate this, and that could be done using a formula equals lorem. Then in bracket I will go for 10 paragraphs and 30 sentences. Okay, and I will close that and hit enter on my keyboard. So we generated random words. Right now, to check the number of characters you have, as you can see, if you look at my cursor down here, you can see that we have over 1,800 words, but there's no indication of the character somewhere here. To get there, what you have to do is to do this on your keyboard. Go and press your Alt key. Press the Alt key and release your finger, and then go for the letter R and then go for the letter W, and that will give you this little interface. You can see that we have a word count interface. So under the statistics, you could see that we have 4 pages, then number of characters with no spaces 11,000 plus, number of characters with spaces 12,000 plus. We have 10 paragraphs and 145 lines. Okay, but if you don't want to take this way of shortcut, the other way to do that is by going to the review. Okay, click on the review, then go for word count, and that is it. Thanks for watching and God bless you.